Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're going to see how to add how to change your Telegram username on your Telegram account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Hi friends, today we're going to see how to change the username on your Telegram account. I just going to show step-by-step process, so you just see this process carefully. First of all, click on the three dot option on the top on the Telegram. Now click on the setting option on the bottom. Now it's gone into your account. Here you will see a three option: your mobile number and username, and also your bio. So just click on this username to change. So set your username. So t.me and slash, which is actually your Telegram sharing link or sharing thing. So everyone will be reach your Telegram account using this particular share option. So it's more important to provide a good name about this, explaining about if you are a creator, or if your account should be with your name, or if you with your company name, like that. So you can choose your username on the Telegram. If you do, people will able to find your username and contact you without needing your phone number. So it doesn't need a phone number also. You can use A to Z or 0 to 9 and underscore. Minimum length of 5 characters you should be actually type here. So after creating, just click on the OK button, which actually create your username. So this is how you just select your username on your Telegram account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made by Unique. Have a wonderful day.